Here we go. All right, so today our agenda is as follows. It is Thursday, so we will go over yesterday's work. Today's topic is on consumers. We will preview Friday and Monday. And just a friendly reminder that I will be unavailable for most of the day tomorrow as I am administering the 8th grade science MCA test. So no emails, no grade updates. I cannot be on my computer or do any work while I'm watching them take the test. So there's that. Yesterday's work was about producers, and another name for a producer is an autotroph. They are self-feeders. Auto means self, troph means feed or food. And so these are organisms that are able to produce their own food through the process photosynthesis. And so many bacteria like cyanobacteria, things that possess chlorophyll, are able to make their own food, and I included a picture there. Algae are able to make their own food in almost all cases, and I included a picture of some algae here. Green plants, remember I did a little review of some things we've talked about this year. Chlorophyll is the green pigment found in plants. It's found in the chloroplasts, these little green parts or organelles of the cell, and that is the site of photosynthesis. And photosynthesis is where a plant like the sunflower takes in carbon dioxide through the stomata or holes in their leaves and water through their roots, and in the presence of sunlight uses it to make its own food and makes sugar or glucose and then gives off oxygen back through its leaves as a byproduct. So that was yesterday, all about producers. Today, we're going to do another major group of organisms, consumers. And so the definition is here in your digital notebook. A consumer is an animal that feeds on living or recently killed organisms. And there are 3 main groups: herbivores, omnivores, and carnivores. So we're going to learn about these 3 groups and a couple other groups today. Your page in your notebook looks like this. Why don't you go ahead and write down this definition? I couldn't find a video that I liked that talked about scavengers. So I'm just going to give you the definition. A scavenger is an organism that consumes dead organisms that have died from causes other than predation. So think of maybe the roadkill you see in the road and you see some birds eating it. Those would be scavengers. So again, scavengers consume dead organisms that have died from causes other than predation. All right, so we are going to watch these videos as we're watching these 2 clips. If you want to jot down some ideas about the different organisms, and then we'll regroup when they're finished. Video 1 talks about carnivores, herbivores, and omnivores. And here we go. Oh, I'm not sharing my sound. I wish that was my default, but I have to click it every time. Yes, you have a question.
Is the video meant to be playing?
Yes, do you not see it?
Yeah,
No, we see a black screen.
No, yeah, it's a black
Yeah,
screen.
I was gonna ask if it was just me,
Oh,
and I don't
because I'm
hear anything or
recording it.
see.
You couldn't hear or see it? Let's,
Yeah,
I
it
wonder
was
if